Hello, in today's video, I'll show you how to turn on or off the app drawer on your Samsung Galaxy A27. When the app drawer is turned off, you won't be able to open it, but all apps will be displayed on the home screen, so you will still have access to all the apps. When it's enabled on the home screen, you can put as many apps as you want, but you don't have to put all of them because they are still accessible in the apps drawer. So here you typically put the apps that are most important to you. And to adjust it, you can go to the settings, then go to home screen. Now select home screen layout, and you can select home screen only. When I do it, you'll notice that on my home screen now I have all the apps that are on my phone. And when I slide up, it opens search, but it does not open the app drawer. So this is search. It's like Spotlight on iPhones, which is pretty useful. That way you can very quickly open an app by searching for it, or do some other things as well using the search bar. But if you'd like to switch it back, feel free to select home screen, change home screen layout to home and apps screen, and then when I apply, you'll see it's back to the previous state. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.